ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
कर दे भाई.
Please switch up your mic. Rishabh, if there is any requirement to switch on your mic, if you want to tell me anything, you just write in the chat box. Do you have any class tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Wednesday timetable.
Yes, ma'am.
So please switch on your mic. Switch up your mic.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, on practical class on Monday, we the second experiment is alkalinity of water. Do we have to write it beforehand?
Oh, better.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's alkalinity of water. No?
Yes, yes. This is the sequence.
Okay, thank you.
It is better. Actually, on that day only you will do the calculation and conclusion part.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And try to submit in that Google form. By using
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh, please switch up your mic. Otherwise, I have to remove from the meeting. Otherwise, I'll remove from the meeting. Hello? One of my student is going today South Korea, so like she's leaving now. So she has called. Okay, so students, still some students have not joined. Your class in this class, so the capacity is 81. The number of students is 81, isn't it? 81 or 82? Because I have received 81 copies, lab copies for the first experiment. And Sar has already started checking the copies. You know, it is each experiment carries 4 marks. So please try to complete the work within time, as well as it should be error free. Okay. So without delay, if you have any queries or any doubts from the last class, then we can discuss now. Otherwise, yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the question that you have given yesterday? The last question.
Oh, what is that question? The question was so that during the mixing of two ideal gases, the delta S will be maximum when x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 0.5, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you could not solve.
No, ma'am.
Any of you? So if it is not working reserve in, it's fine. Then you should not switch on. 2 to 3 times I have heard that you are just switching it on. If you want to check, then you should check with your friends, not in the class. It's disturbing. Okay. So anyway, so any student who has solved this one, so that during the mixing of two ideal gases, the delta S will be maximum when x1 is equal to x2. Both the mole fractions are same. Anybody has solved? Or no one? Or you have not tried? Please answer me. What happened? Adi, you will say yes or no. What is the problem? What is the problem?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I tried to solve this question, but I got the answer 1.25, but actually, I
It
don't
should
think
be
it's.
0.5.
Yes, ma'am. So that is why.
Okay. Just a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, could you repeat the answer for this?
Yes, yes. Actually, that's why I was choosing the screen, no? The same whiteboard which I'm just continuing
Yes.
from the last class. Okay. I can also share it with share with you all in the WhatsApp group. So that's why I'm using the same screen. Delta S mix is equal to minus R x1 ln x1 plus x2 ln x2. Can I write this one? Can I write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you know delta S mix is equal to Ni R ln Xi. So minus R x1 ln x1 plus I can write 1 minus x1 because x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. So x2 is equal to 1 minus x1. Can I write or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is the answer 5.763?
The answer should be actually what is that? We have to prove when it will be maximum. When it will be maximum.
Can we use hit and trial method?
Why? It will be del entropy should be maximum when del S del delta mix by del x1 is equal to 0. Okay, so the derivative should be 0. Entropy, change in entropy will be maximum when the condition is delta by delta S, del S mix is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So when the derivative will be 0 at that time, at that point, entropy will be maximum. So now you will just differentiate with respect to x1. Then what will happen? What will be the just differentiate with respect to del x1? What will be the answer? You should find the value of x1. Try to find the value of x1 so that x2 can be calculated. Are you getting the point? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you do the derivative? Can you do it or not?
Yes, sir.
वो करके देखो नहीं होगा तो कर लेंगे.
Ma'am, here x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 0.5, right?
Yes, that you have to prove.
Oh, okay.
And this condition is like it will be attained when x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 0.5. Now I think the up to this, if you know, then you can find out the value of x1, and then x2 you also can calculate by subtracting from 1. So x1, x2 value should be 0.5. Okay. So with these hints, I think you can solve it. Can you solve? Please try at least. So if you will write and you will copy it, then you will not use your mind. So it's not good. And yesterday also I talked to your teacher, computer teacher, lab, who is taking your lab class, that Jana sir. I talked to him. He was telling that we have designed the program such that the program can be done with a phone. No need, if the students are not having laptop, they can use the phone, and in other sections that all the students are able to solve those. And also in this section also, some of the students, they are also submitting, but few students are not willing to submit or not trying to submit. If you students are facing some problem during the programming class, you can talk to him directly. And if you'll just ignore the part and you will try to cheat or you will try to avoid, because of the difficulty you are facing, obviously first time anything you will do, it will not be easy. And when you will repeatedly you will do, then it will be easier. But if you'll just try to avoid, then it will be difficult. At the end, you cannot understand anything. And if few students are able to solve, and then it should not be a problem. But he told me that few students are submitting, and few of the students are telling that they are not able to submit within the stipulated time. Okay, so I think here this is the this was the version of that Zen answer. So I think you can understand the your responsibility as well as the value of the money you have paid. With that, I'll request if some students are able to submit, then you can also submit. Okay? What happened? Everybody is silent. Am I audible or not?
Ma'am, it is coming out to be 0.5.
It is 0.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can share your screen, or you just don't send now. At least all students should try once. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
If you write and everybody will just copy, and if you will not directly will not get this question, then you may not try to solve also. So please try. Okay. You are not a like class 2 or class 3 student, so that everything will be written and you will just copy and paste, even if they are also getting some different kind of question in their exam. Based on the syllabus only, you will also get some different type of questions. So try to understand the concept, and also you also try from yourself to solve some of the numericals. Okay, and in midsem, I think up to kinetics, 2 chapters will be. I'll try to cover, and based on the syllabus, how much we can cover before exam. That part will come in your midsem examination. But because I got some messages from some of the students, so please try to means like whatever I'm teaching in the class, you please try to understand that one, and if you are facing any problem, then you can discuss with me. And regarding the questions, you try once. If you are not able to solve it at all, then I'm there to solve it. Or some of your friends who can solve, they will also share the screen or share the solution. Okay, and for the computer class, please try to understand your responsibility. Okay, and I don't think that he was wrong. Do you think that he was wrong, or he is giving me wrong information? Why students, you are silent?
Ma'am, actually, in phone we can do, but it takes time. The
Yes,
time
it takes time. It's okay, but if some students are able to solve, obviously I know that everyone's speed is not equal, but you try to complete within the stipulated time. It will be helpful. And maybe the first day you are facing problems, second day you may do, or if you are not able to do in the second day, then third day you may do. Okay, keep on trying. So that is my request, because in this pandemic also you have paid the money, and we are also trying to manage the class somehow, because today 9 o'clock I could not reach the office, and if I'll reach also, if the internet is not working, then it will be a great problem to take the class. So I'm taking the class from my home. In this scenario, in a small like house, taking classes, and my kids are also, they have the online classes in the morning time. It's really difficult. Still we are managing, everybody is managing, and we are trying to honestly complete our duty. So you also do that from your side. Okay Rishabh?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
ऑफलाइन
Okay,
क्लास का
so-
पूछा आपने?
क्या ध्रुव?
ऑफलाइन क्लास में
ऑफलाइन क्लास का कोई भी मतलब ये नहीं मिला है इंफॉर्मेशन, मतलब ऑफिशियल इंफॉर्मेशन। ऐसे बोलने वाले तो बहुत बोलते हैं, इससे क्या होगा?
ओके मैम।
जब तक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नहीं जाएगा, पेरेंट्स नहीं जाएंगे, एक दो स्टूडेंट के पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे या बाकी सबका नहीं बोलेंगे, इतना सारे सेक्शंस है, तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि ये खुलेगा। लेकिन खुल सकता है, ये मैंने सुना है। अब मतलब एक जेन्युइनिटी है कि खुलना चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज जो भुवनेश्वर में है, मुझे जो पता है कि उन लोग का ओपन हो रहा है, हुआ नहीं अभी तक, होगा। ठीक है। और हम लोग का मतलब इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एक्चुअली द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर मोर, number of not only number of students, number of staffs are also more. And you have also realized that everything is done in a proper way, like maybe from starting from hostel. If you are like asking me anything, or you are asking anyone, you are contacting anyone, maybe some of the departments, I do not know whether they are responding very quickly or not, still you are getting your response. So here also number of staffs are more. So it will be a difficult situation if Corona will not be in control, because the number of
तो वहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी में फुटबॉल का कुछ हो रहा है।
हाँ, फीफा।
यस मैम।
हाँ, यस। उन लोग आके कोरोना नहीं दे के जाना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? हो रहा है तो। लेकिन वो लोग का सारे के सारे आरटीपीसीआर टेस्ट हुआ है, इसीलिए तो उनको अंदर जाने दिया ना।
हम लोग भी करवाने।
हाँ, तो करने से ठीक है, लेकिन बाद में क्या होगा ना, अगर आप
मैम इन आवर कैंपस वी हैव फुटबॉल कोचिंग।
हाँ, एवरीथिंग। आप लोग को पता नहीं हम लोग का स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट कितना बड़ा है, इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड।
दो स्टेडियम्स भी हैं।
हाँ,
यहाँ से कौन कौन फुटबॉल खेलता है?
एक्चुअली मुझे ना इतना सारे इंफॉर्मेशन में नहीं दे सकती हूँ, लेकिन इतना बोल सकती हूँ कि हम लोग का भी टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में 3 या 4 स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन किए थे, मतलब सिलेक्ट हुए थे।
3 गए थे मैम,
3 हुए थे ना।
भवानी देवी, शिवपाल सिंह और एक और थी।
भवानी देवी जो थी वो फेंसिंग में। हाँ, और दूती चांद।
हाँ, यस मैम।
दूती चांद वो तो क्या बोले, ऑनलाइन क्लास उसको पसंद नहीं है। हाँ, किसी को भी पसंद नहीं है। आई ऑल्सो डू नॉट लाइक पर्सनली, बट व्हाट टू डू, वी आर गेटिंग सैलरी फॉर दैट and you have paid for that, so we have to manage the class, no doubt. But I'm trying to write each and every point so that you can feel that you are also engaged in the class. Okay, so your sports department is really nice. बहुत अच्छा है, IIT से भी अच्छा है। कोई IIT से देखो कि ओलंपिक्स में कितना स्टूडेंट्स गए हैं।
The scope is very nice there.
यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब ये बहुत ही अच्छा है। और यहाँ पे बीटेक स्टूडेंट्स को इतना भाव देते हैं ना, कहीं पे भी नहीं देते।
मैम क्रिकेट कैसा है, मतलब यहाँ?
क्रिकेट भी अच्छा है।
क्रिकेट का भी है।
हाँ है, तो इन लोग का भी एक KPL चलता है ना, KPL। लैपटॉप्स का मैंने भी बात किया था, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिला है। हम भी एक्चुअली आपको मैं शेयर करती हूँ स्क्रीन, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सब लोग भी वही पूछते रहते हैं. रुको एक मिनट. योर एंटायर स्क्रीन. ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि मैडम ऐसे ही बोल दी होगी, लेकिन एक मिनट. हाँ, जस्ट अ मिनट.
नहीं मैम, भरोसा है आप.
नहीं, ऑब्वियसली मेंटर है तो उतना तो स्टूडेंट्स को इतना फीलिंग्स होना चाहिए कि जस्ट लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स सेज शी हैज द प्यूरिटी इन हर वर्ड्स और एवरीथिंग, है कि नहीं? नहीं होने से तो अच्छा भी नहीं है ना.
मैम जो लैपटॉप देते हैं कौन सी कंपनी का होता है वो?
लास्ट टाइम तो एचपी दिए थे, मैं जो यूज कर रही हूँ उसी टाइप का दिए थे. मतलब ये तो बाजार में शायद 1.2 लाइक दैट ऐसा ही था इसका कॉस्ट.
मैम टच स्क्रीन वाला है?
हाँ, टच स्क्रीन है.
इस बार कौन सा कंपनी का मिलेगा मैम? मैम यस मैम, व्हाट द मॉडल नंबर?
ये कोई बोल रहा है लेनोवो आइडिया पैड फ्लेक्सी क्या
आइडिया पैड ऐसा कुछ मिल रहा है क्या?
तो हो सकता है, मुझे एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता क्या कंपनी का, लेकिन लास्ट टाइम का जो दिए थे वो एचपी का दिए थे टच स्क्रीन. और जो मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको 180 डिग्री और 360 डिग्री जो भी.
लास्ट टाइम दिया था ना, लेनोवो फ्लेक्स पैड दिया था शायद लास्ट टाइम.
हाँ
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम क्या दिया था?
लेनोवो
का. एक तो फिर उसका पहले बार एचपी दिया होगा, जो क्योंकि मेरा लैपटॉप वो स्टूडेंट्स का लैपटॉप जैसा, क्योंकि मेरा ऑफिस का लैपटॉप जो है ये एक्चुअली मैंने बाजार में देखा था, पूछा था तो वो लोग 1,20,000 था इसका कॉस्ट. तो ये लोग अच्छा देते हैं और फिर हम लोग का बल्क में लेते हैं ना.
यस
मैम बेसिकली आइडिया क्या रहता है कि खुद से लैपटॉप देने का सब बच्चों को?
क्या है
मतलब जैसे कॉलेज का ये आइडिया क्या रहता है कि खुद से लैपटॉप देने का? क्योंकि जैसे अगर जो अमाउंट मतलब अगर हम अप्रोक्सीमेटली देखते हैं जो ये लेते हैं, उसमें अगर मैं खुद से लेता हूँ तो मैं स्पेसिफिकेशन के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा लैपटॉप दे सकता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इन लोग से अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि जब हम लोग बल्क में खरीद रहे हैं ना 4,000 3,000, डेफिनेटली कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और इन लोग का मेंटेनेंस एवरीथिंग विल बी गुड. हियर एक आईसीटी नहीं लो प्राइस में. हाँ, कॉलेज में मिलेगा इसीलिए बिकॉज यूनिवर्सिटी इज परचेसिंग नॉट ओनली फॉर यू ना, द मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग, द डेंटल स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग, द मुझे नहीं पता है मिस
हमारी एक दीदी यूज करती है तो उनका थोड़ा एडिटेड है, हम देखे हैं उनको.
हो सकता है, मुझे ये नहीं पता, लेकिन इनका जो मुझे जो लगता है कि बल्क में लेते हैं इसीलिए इसका कॉस्ट थोड़ा कम होता है. मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है क्योंकि मैं
आई थिंक वो एक्चुअली प्रोग्रामिंग वेरियस प्रोग्राम्स और एप्लीकेशंस को यूज करने के लिए जो चाहिए होते हैं ना, ग्राफिक्स कार्ड और वो सब आई थिंक होता होगा उसमें.
हो सकता है, मुझे ये नहीं पता एक्चुअली, मुझे नहीं पता ये सब चीज बिकॉज you know my background is science only, so I cannot know the software part and all, but that much ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. जब मेरा लैपटॉप टूट गया, मतलब आई डोंट नो हाउ, लेकिन उसका पूरा स्क्रीन एक मेरे हाथ से गिर गया, कुछ भी हुआ, पूरा फट गया. तो फॉर दैट ओनली आई हैव went to different nearby shops and I was asking that what will be the cost of this laptop. So at that time I knew that the cost is 1,20,000 because I do not have much idea also. See how many students are asking regarding the laptop. Just see, this is first year to tutor mentor 2021 SC students of School of Computer Engineering. Just a minute, how many students are asking for laptop? Just a minute. Loan, laptop, bona fide certificate, some Prime Minister scholarship. Sir, can we bring the laptop from university for those who are living in Bhubaneswar? Are you getting, like, my screen is visible to you or not?
Yes ma'am.
Sir, yes. Not now, they will give notice for the laptop. Okay. Is there any date so that offline classes will be started? Ma'am, not yet decided. Okay, so this is from the administration. these are those who are asking, na? Anita Naik or someone just like this, they are just mentors like me. Some student is asking, good evening, ma'am, I'm Asta. I need the signature of Dean sir in my scholarship form. What do I need? Okay, so these are the things the students are asking regarding the books, laptop and all. So every day we are getting so many calls and messages. All of the mentors are also getting, they are asking to the administration. There is a specified WhatsApp group for that, and we are getting the information regarding the queries. Like if we are the students' queries will be sent to this WhatsApp group, and the administration will answer to us. Okay, so this way, believe me, there is no specific date when the student will come to the campus. Once it is decided, I'll definitely let you know. Okay, so till now it is not decided. Okay, and the laptops also, it is it is not informed to the students when it will be given. Okay, so I think now we'll start free energy change in a chemical reaction. This one you just try. If you are not able to find the solution, then I'll solve it and I'll send in the WhatsApp group. Okay. And for your lab classes, please try to, everybody should get the lab record, because Monday is again will start your exam. I think Thursday is a holiday. Thursday is a holiday for Deepavali.
Which day?
Yes,
मैम वेडनेसडे
Wednesday holiday.
ma'am. Thursday.
Four
Thursday,
Diwali
ma'am,
का
Thursday. Yes, ma'am. Thursday.
Thursday ही है. ठीक है, एक दिन तो छुट्टी मिलेगा आपको, जो पेंडिंग जो भी है वो कर लोगे. Okay, next is your free energy. There are how many free energy terms?
Ma'am gives free energy.
Or
Helmholtz energy, ma'am.
yes, Helmholtz free energy in a chemical reaction. So Helmholtz function. So it is denoted as a. This is also called work function. Okay. So A is equal to U minus Ts. What is U here? U is the internal energy. T is the temperature, and S is the entropy. Okay. So del U change in internal energy, work function, or is equal to del U minus T del S. Del U minus T Q by T. Can I write?
Yes, ma'am.
So del U minus Q.
मैम थोड़ा ऊपर कीजिए ना.
ठीक है.
मैम और थोड़ा ऊपर.
मैम थोड़ा और.
मैम केमिस्ट्री का हार्ड कॉपी कब मिलेगा, मतलब बुक का?
बुक का हार्ड कॉपी आपको नहीं मिला है? बुक भेजे नहीं है?
नो मैम,
वो
पीडीएफ है.
हार्ड कॉपी कैसे देंगे आप लोग, नहीं आओगे तो?
केमिस्ट्री का और मैथ्स का नहीं मिला है, बाकी सबका मिलेगा।
एक काम करो, उसी को सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी में लिखो।
ओके मैम।
मैम वर्क फंक्शन के ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
कहाँ?
वर्क
हेलमोल्ट्ज, HELMHOLTZ।
मैम जो बुक में जो प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम है उसको भी सॉल्व करें।
आपकी मर्जी।
ओके।
इतना मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जितना पढ़ा रहे हैं अगर आप ठीक से पढ़ोगे भी तो मतलब okay, done up to this. So again you know that del A is equal to Q minus W. Sorry, Q minus W minus Q. So del A is equal to minus W. So the gross work function is the gross work, or Helmholtz free energy is equal to the decrease in, or we can write minus del E A is equal to W. So decrease in is the gross work done in the system. Okay. So W is equal to minus del A, and del A is the free energy change, or that is also called Helmholtz work function. Helmholtz work function or Helmholtz function. Okay, so then we'll discuss Gibbs free energy. In thermodynamics, actually the use of Gibbs free energy is more as compared to the Helmholtz free energy or work function. Okay, so the decrease in free energy is the gross work done in the system. So next is Gibbs free energy. Free energy. That is denoted as G. So you know G is equal to H minus Ts. So del G is equal to minus T del S. Plus P del V T del S. So del U minus T del S plus P del V. So this much is equal to how? But del U minus T del S is equal to del A, isn't it? So we can write del A plus P del V. So del G is equal to del A plus P del V. So we can also write minus del G is equal to minus del A minus P del V. So that is equal to W minus P del V. So decrease in free energy. So this is your mechanical work done or due to the change in volume. So this is your mechanical work done. So here you can say that decrease in free energy is equal to the net work done. At that time it was the gross work done in the system. Here it is the net work done because we are just subtracting the mechanical work due to the change in volume. Up to this, any doubt? Students, up to this, do you have any doubt?
No.
Everybody could write all the steps.
Can you also show from the beginning?
In the beginning. What is happening? I don't know. Oh, it is disappearing. Which is the link for the whiteboard. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll discuss variation of free energy.
Del G equals to del H minus T delta S over.
Why? I have not written del G. I have written GH. G is equal to H minus T del S. This is the relation. Okay.
Okay.
So for H, we are just replacing H by U plus PV. Okay. VdP minus TdS minus HDT. Again, we know that Pg is equal to TPS. SPTP minus STT minus TTS. In variation of free energy with pressure for ideal gas. Some problem I'm facing in this whiteboard. Okay, let me do one thing. Actually, my whiteboard is not working now. Shall I close it again and I'll open?
Okay, ma'am.
It's showing some problem. It's not responding. Now it is showing. Let me see. Is it visible to all of you, the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just continuing that part. Then I'll close this one. Then next another one whiteboard I'll start. Writing on board and writing on the laptop screen, there is a huge difference. This part. Okay, so now we'll discuss variation of free energy. with pressure. We know that dg is equal to vdp from the previous relation. So if we'll integrate, then what you will get? The lower limit is g1 and here it is g2 and p1, p2. So here we'll do one thing in RT by P. Because the B can be replaced by nRT by P because PP is equal to nRT for n moles of gases. So B can be replaced by nRT by P. So now del G is equal to nRT ln P2 by P1. So again, it can also be written nRT ln V1 by V2. Variation of free energy with pressure and volume. Okay. So one numerical, you just solve it and we'll complete the in the class here. 5 moles of please calculate. 5 moles of an ideal gas expands from 1 liter to 10 liter at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the change in free energy of the gas.
Ma'am, can you show me the notes from after Gibbs free energy?
Sure. Actually, if I'm just zooming it, is it okay?
Yes, on variation of free energy with temperature and pressure, that part.
It's okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
माइनस टू
आंसर माइनस में आ रहा है क्या?
क्या है आंसर?
माइनस
हाँ माइनस माइनस.
माइनस
68.3.
Yes, 28.72 kilojoule.
Okay, ma'am.
Another maybe 2 to 3 classes. No, 4 classes. I'll complete this one. this chapter will be over. Tomorrow no theory class, isn't it? No chemistry theory class. I have in B12, section B12, I have the lab class.
Ma'am, can you say what's the answer?
Minus 28.72 kilojoule.
Okay, thank you.
Everybody got the answer, and if you if some of the students have not tried, please try to solve it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let's end the class here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.